I'm probably influencing some people. I put the plan into action by actually starting making videos.
Hey Michael, where you're at today? Looking at all this smart, casual stuff. Well, thanks for asking, because today I'm back at, as you can probably see, my secondary school, YN College Kowloon. For a filming session, and it's not any regular filming session. It's actually as the champion of the 21st Century Cup National English Speaking Competition Hong Kong round to have a personal promotional video.
Right now, my videos are a mix of my life, various aspects of my life, sports, my school life, tech, and public speaking. But if I have to pick one out of all of these, I'd still pick public speaking.
Is that how you throw away a used mask? If yes, you're one of the reasons for the estimated 1.56 billion masks floating in the seas in 2020.
Because without my ability to express myself, none of the other stuff would have mattered. Like if I'm not the top student, but I could still express myself. I could still express myself, my ideas better than the average person, then that would help. So I definitely want to sort of pass on the skill, teach this skill to my viewers as well.
YN College Kowloon is traditional prestigious school in Hong Kong, and it has a history of 95 years. Michael is one of our outstanding graduates. If I have to use 3 words to describe Michael, I will use competent, committed, and humble.
The most special thing about YN compared with other schools is the freedom it offers. The freedom it offers, it allows things to blossom into beautiful things. If like the right people are there to guide you. And I was lucky enough to be one of those people that were guided by my peers, that were inspired by my teachers, my mentors. And so that's why it really stood out to me.
Of course, I do think Michael will succeed. He's already succeeded in delivering speeches already. And also he has a YouTube channel, and also in Bilibili he has a channel too. And I guess what determines success, we shouldn't use a certain goal or a certain criteria to determine whether someone is successful or not. I think attitude is the one thing that we should look at when we want to know that or we want to guess if someone is successful or not. I think Michael is a very, very strong person in a way. Not only he's physically strong, his mind is also very strong. When he wants to focus in something, he will try his best, no matter what cost, to finish that thing. So, no matter back in secondary school when he was trying to get good results in swimming team, he trained a lot after school. Every single day when we were playing after school, he went to training.
When I was in my peak, I'd like to say the peak of my swimming career, even though I never became a pro, I was training 6 or 7 times a week. So that was my peak of swimming. I swam. I kept on training all these years, and even now, after I've quit official team training, I still kept on doing sports regularly, soccer in this case. I wanted to see how far I can go if I set my mind on something, and that's why I said I was persistent.
For example, in his YouTube channel, he's consistent enough to keep posting videos no matter what's the result, what's the view. I like his perseverance a lot, because I think one day you will succeed in your channel, and who knows, maybe your next video will be will have 10,000 views or a million views, who knows.
Watch out.
Algorithms, no one knows. But I guess with this attitude, you go on and reach your targets sooner or later. It's just a matter of time, if you keep this up. So yeah, I guess you should just keep it up the good work, then you'll be fine. Yeah,
and with you alongside me, I guess things will be fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Yeah,
great.
Thanks, bro.